Horses out, we have Holy Trish. Best to begin, moving up in between horses now is Galing Magnolia Supervise. Galing, the leader by Oralenka. Supervise is right, behind in second, and in third, Magnolia, Holy Trish, Paradiso, then followed by True Royal Blood, and trailing the group is entry number 2, Blue Rose. And going along for the first turn, we have Galing by Oralenka. And in second now is Magnolia, Holy Trish. Now moving up to take third. Alongside fourth comes Supervise. And that's still Galing by about 2.5 lengths. Magnolia remains in second. Holy Trish in third. Then comes Supervise. And that's still Galing by about 3 lengths now. Magnolia remains in second. Supervise now coming closer in third. Holy Trish in fourth. And as they come down at the last 250, and it's still Galing by about 4 lengths. Magnolia still in second. Supervise. And at the last 150, and it's still Galing by about 4 lengths. Magnolia remains in second. And it's still Galing, followed by Magnolia by Drell. Galing, Magnolia is down on the inside. Galing, Magnolia, and finally it's Magnolia. Galing, then comes Supervise.